After the success of the previous video on Japanese proverbs involving animals, we are back with more Japanese proverbs or kotowaza. In this video, we look at some inspirational Japanese proverbs with numbers in them. Though we have a lot of proverbs for you, the big question is, how do we start? How about we start with a proverb that helps resolve this dilemma?
Senri no michi mo ippo kara. In Japanese, sen means thousand. Michi means road. Ippo means one step.
Senri no michi mo ippo kara translates to even a journey of 1,000 steps starts with a single step. This indicates that it does not matter if the task is big or small. We need to start somewhere. If we are too overawed by the task in front of us that we do not even start, then how can we ever finish it?
Ichinichi ippo. Ichi means one. Nichi means day. Ippo again means one step.
Ichinichi ippo simply means one day, one step. It indicates that if we take a step each day, we will keep climbing the ladder of success. If we constantly improve one day at a time, we can definitely reach the top.
Ishi no ue ni mo sannen. Ishi means rock. Ue means up. San means 3, nen means year, so san nen means 3 years.
Ishi no ue ni mo sannen translates to 3 years on top of a stone. This means it takes about 3 years to warm a stone on which one sits. Practically, it means that one must be patient to achieve their life goals.
Journey to iro. Ju and to both mean 10. Nin means people. Iro means colors.
Junin Toiro literally means 10 people, 10 colors. This indicates that if there are 10 people, there would be 10 preferences. Basically, in a group, everyone has different opinions and preferences.
Nana korobi ya oki. Nana means 7 and ya means 8. Korobi means fall down. Oki means get up.
Nanakorobi Yaoki translates to fall down 7 times, get up 8 times. This means never give up in life. It does not matter how many times we fall down, as long as we can get back on our feet again. We only lose when we give up in life. Remember, in 1945, Japan was destroyed by 2 atomic bombs, and it looked like everything was lost. But in the true spirit of Nanakorobi Yaoki, the Japanese never gave up and decided to rebuild their country. Different people had different opinions and different needs, which can only be described as Junin Toiro. Though it was a very difficult task, the Japanese made a start in the journey to recovery with the inspiration of Senri no michi mo ippo kara. Slowly, one step at a time, they kept rebuilding the nation following the philosophy of Ichinichi Ippo. Despite many natural disasters and setbacks, they have been patiently rebuilding their nation over time. Their patience reminds us of Ishi no ue ni mo sannen. Following the advice from these inspirational kotowaza, today Japan is one of the most developed countries in the world. Hopefully, you can also enjoy a lot of success in your life following these proverbs.
Please click like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.